Please insert the battery and memory card before using the camera. Install the battery at the bottom of the camera. Pay attention to the insertion direction of the battery and make sure the side with the metal chip faces downward. When inserting the memory card, if you find that it cannot be inserted, try inserting it with the other side. Press the power on button to turn on the device. After setting the language to English and the date, please pay attention to the prompt for formatting the memory card. If you miss the step of operation, you can go to the system settings to format the memory card. It is essential to format the memory card. Otherwise, it will not be usable. Use the menu button to switch between taking photos and making settings. Select either the camera settings or the system settings by moving left or right. When taking photos, you can switch filters by pressing the left and right buttons. The turntable on the top can be used to switch the shooting mode. When you switch to video recording, you can access the video recording settings. Press the playback button at the lower left corner to view the videos or pictures you have taken previously. Press the flash button to turn on the flash. Press the TW button to zoom in and out. Press and hold the power button to turn off the device. Thanks for watching.